NVTS stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy? Let's talk about where's Navitas Semiconductor stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Now, generally speaking, this is good. All I wanted to see is the price, you know, to take things higher. And this is like higher time frame idea that I got that went from 6 to like 9, 10, was called out right here. You might think that I'm lying to you, but here's the proof right here. At the time, it's like 2 days ago, 21st of July. It was great. It was like 7. And now we're here. I mean, unironically, I just look to double down even more, but the price is just not giving me what I want, and therefore I'm not pulling the trigger on this long. Practically speaking, here is the same exact freaking story. I'm not buying unless the price pulls into my demand zone a bit lower and gives me the confirmation. Other than that, everything else would just rather be noise. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. So let me know what is your opinion. I mean, I do have 37 results here. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye.